everyone, welcome to my channel. Here you will find various videos including maintenance, ride-alongs, and any other motorcycle-inspired videos. Please remember to follow, like, and subscribe to see more content. On today's video, we will be doing a simple oil change on my 2013 Yamaha FZ6R. Lifting the motorcycle is not required, but will ease putting the oil pan underneath the bike. Having all of your tools around you will also help ease the process. Once you have set your oil pan and have gathered all of your tools, you will want to start by locating and removing the oil drain plug and letting the oil completely drain out of your bike. Once everything is drained, we move on to removing the old oil filter and cleaning out any leakage on your bike. Typically, new oil filters come with the O-ring and seal in a separate packaging and will need to be covered with a thin layer of oil. For this, you can use the old oil or the new oil. This will not affect either way. But for today's video, the filter came with the O-ring prepped and good to go. You will want to ensure that this part is done correctly. If you happen to put the filter on too tightly, you will more than likely have to destroy your filter in order to take it off. Don't forget to put the drain plug back. Next, we will add the oil. Ensure you put your oil cap back on, double check your levels and bolts, warm your motorcycle about 5 minutes before the ride, and don't forget to ride safe. Please remember to follow, like, and subscribe